Alright, this is Reed, and he is going to calibrate some pH for us today. So first of all, he's going to take the probe, and he is going to rinse it with distilled water. And then he's going to pat it dry. Reed is going to stir the probe into the pH buffer, and he's going to go over to the pH meter to calibrate. So he's going to hit calibration, and then he's going to input 7.00 for calibration. And then he's going to hit keep, rinse the probe again with distilled water, and again rinse the probe off, and put the probe back in a buffer of 4 pH. And once that voltage at the top stabilizes, he's going to input 4.0 and hit keep. Again, take the probe and rinse it with distilled water. Pat it dry. And now he's going to measure the pH of apple juice.
I'm Christian Wells, and I'm going to be calibrating the pH meter and taking the pH of some orange juice. Rinse it. Put it in a pH 7 buffer solution. Stir the solution. Wait for the voltage to remain constant. Enter my pH. I will remove it from the pH 7 buffer. Rinse with distilled water again. Blot it dry. Then I will put it into the pH 4 buffer solution. Stir it a little. Wait for the voltage to remain constant. Then I will enter 4.00. Remove from the pH 4 buffer solution. Rinse with DI again. Blot dry. Then I will take the pH of some orange juice.
My name is Danielle Cobb, and we're going to be taking different pHs of different substances. You're going to rinse it with some distilled water, and you're going to blot that dry. And you're going to put that in the 7 pH buffer, and you're going to click Sensors and Calibrate. Hit 7.00 and then keep. Re-rinse that off with some distilled water. And then blot that off again. And then put that in a pH of 4 buffer system. And put that into 4.00. And hit keep. We're going to rinse that off. And blot that again. And now we're going to measure the pH of hydrochloric acid.
I am Justin Rice, and I'm going to be performing a calibration of orange juice. I'm going to rinse that off with some distilled water. Get that water off, make sure nothing messes with our reading. As we put it into the pH 7 solution, or buffer, I'm going to go to Sensors, Calibrate now, and we're going to set this one to 7. Alright, then I'm going to take this out, rinse off the pH 7 buffer from there, dab off the water from here. I'm going to throw that into the pH 4 solution, stir it around real quick, wait for the voltage to be constant, looks like it is. Hit keep. We're going to clean it off once again, get the water off one last time before we come over and we measure the pH of the orange juice.